Ikhaba Cup eMlazi eKingswell ithini ila sikhona si-Durban Network igama ke nguSabelo Ndabase kanti manje nginomakade bona umsakazi uJoe Puti ninjani
Sisawule ngikhona kunjani baba ngijabule kamnandi nibona bafethu ngingangicina ngisase Jozi
oh my god
nisashaya house
thiwa umuntu ongabomnyathela ngoba umhlaba mncane kunjalo but Joe you are part and parcel of this magnitude historical tournament yaselokishini kusho ukuthini lokhu kwena
yabona into engiyibone namhlanje bengiqala mina ukuze bengihlale ngizwa nje ngekhaba cup bengiqala ukuthi ngifike ukuqala nongifika I was surprised ukubona such a number of people i crowd engibone ukuthi yazi le crowd ihlula ama team amaningi adlala ku PSL yazi mangithi ngiyabheka ngagcina ukubona lokhu njani Kingswell Teen Stadium igcwele ngalendlela ekuyakhombisa ukuthi abantu basemlazi balilambela ibhola
mhlambe ke sikhulume ngeHollywood nayo esukumile yaphakamisa isandla yathi izoxhasa ukuthi lo mcimbi ube impumelelo
yazi okuhle ngalokho okwenziwa abakwa Hollywood ukuthi basuke le phezulu bayoxhasa ibhola le phansi ngoba abagcini nje kuphela ku football bayadlula ngisho kuma rural areas they go there and ba supporta ukubone nako Soweto baya supporta Israel baya supporta go Valley go Sebokeng baya supporta Pretoria ba supporta yabona into eyenziwa i Hollywood is unprecedented ukuthola ikhampani eyehlela lapha phansi bonke abantu bayibafuna ukuthi bazithole beyofuna ibhola leli elikhokhelwayo bakhohle lapho ukuthi abadlali baphuma lapha phansi yabona nje ukungena kwayo ngoba iHollywood ingene kule midlalo efana nale ngisho umuntu obeselahla ithemba uyathola ukuthi azodlala la athola ukuthi uyabona bayambona yabona nje uJerry Skhosana sebebaninganyana abadlali ebathatha kuyona le i-tournament esuke ixhaswe yibo abakwa Hollywood mhlawumbe namanye ama companies uma engenza kungabi iHollywood kuphela bemaningi ama companies enza kanje ibhola lethu lingakhuphuka kakhulu ngoba zokhumbula ukuthi ibhola lethu selafe ezikolweni ibhola lisadlala ezikolweni ngoba yikho nje uthola abadlali sasenabo ngama late 60s noma early 60s early 70s early 80s asabathuli uyakhumbula ukuthi ngaleza iChiefs ibingathintwa ngama early 80s sukela ngama 70s hayi into ngama ibingathintwa nje ibidliwa kodwa nje ibingathinta abadlali ayinabo ungamangala mangathi ngubalela bona ungavele ukuthi nje uxhuma umuntu uqhathanisa bona uqhathanise nabadlali abakhona manje
likhulu kakhulu ithuba elivezwa iKhaba Cup elokishini siyabona futhi sekathenda ama team abuya even kwamanye ama province sikhuluma nje nawe i-team ewinile yase Eastern Cape kusho ukuthini lo
kusho ukuthi ukukhula kwe-tournament it's becoming bigger and bigger iKhaba Cup ngoba nje angikholwa ukuthi kuzogcina I'm sure next time sobona ama team aphuma go Free State sibona ama team aphuma go Mpumalanga sibona ama team asuka go Gauteng kudlala egroundini edlala wona ama team ePSL so you have no excuse
you don't you actually don't siyabonga kakhulu Joe
baba ngibonga mina
thank you